Hello, good morning. So today pupunta tayo sa Georgia Aquarium. So ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung kasama ko. Dinaig pa ang nanay sa makeup. Sa parking area pala nila is $20 per car. So, pwede kang magstay dito all day as long as open pa sila. So, open sila ng 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. So, yung Georgia Aquarium actually is located dito mismo sa downtown ng Atlanta, no? Dito sa Georgia. So, ayan, ito yung kanilang parking area. So, once na nakapag-park ka, pwede kang magbayad ng ticket dito sa side or diretso ka na doon sa may aquarium mismo, sasakay ka ng elevator and then papasok tayo doon sa kanilang entrance area, Anyway, nag-buy pala kami ng ticket online. So, yung presyo nila dito, depende kung during peak or non-peak season, So, makikita mo yung updated prices nila sa kanilang website. Ito yung kanilang price. So, ito yung kanilang presyo at depende din kung anong oras ka papasok, dahil may promo din sila. Pag hapon ka na papasok, $25 lang yung babayaran mo. Actually, maiikot mo yung aquarium within 2 to 3 hours. Depende nga lang kung manonood ka ng show. Siyempre, aabangan mo yun. So, maaring ma-extend pa yung oras mo, Kasi meron silang time kung kailan sila magpapalabas ng kanilang show. And then, during the show nila, gaya nung Sea Lion show, meron din silang dolphin. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-take ng video actually. So, yun yung disadvantage, Unlike sa ibang lugar, pwede ka mag-take ng video. Dito, hindi. But anyway, marami kang makikita dito sa loob, gaya ng shark, dolphin, meron ding crocodile at stingray encounter. At marami pang iba, Tapos, ang kagandahan dito, ang favorite ng anak ko is yung stingray encounter, which is pwede mo silang hawakan. Walang extra bayad yun, Yun naman ang advantage nila kasi sa ibang lugar, magbabayad ka sa stingray encounter, So, ayun. So, ayan, at i-enjoy natin yung mga sea animals nila dito,
He left it. Now another one's gonna eat it.
Oh, there.
Come on, somebody eat it. And the foodie people are feeding them. See that one?
Ang galing naman. Sapsap ba yan? Parang yung sinasabaw. Wow, they are coming this way.
Mom, can you tell me where to go?
We're done with the shark. Now here.
Tropical diver time.
Is that flotsam or jetsam?
An eagle?
Oh, look at this! It's a tabachoy.
What? That's a puffer. Oh, Japanese sea nettle. That's a Japanese.
Nag-hyper na siya. Oh, look, that's so cute and tiny.
I want to own a fish like that. Soft corals.
that. Okay.
also, since they're smaller, could be more sensitive to the touch. Simply stand back and admire our rays as we do that. You'll notice we have other fish in here. Please only touch the stingrays, as the other fish don't know they're going to be touched. The stingrays are highly intelligent and do when they're on that. Either keep them very still. The turtle tentacles are what's going to give them the rough seal. And if you have a shellfish allergy, I'd encourage you to simply stand back and admire our rays as we do feed them shellfish as part of their diet.
I'm not touching
So, ayan, at tapos na nga tayo dito, tayo ay mag-i-exit na. Actually, meron din silang souvenir area dito, doon sa may exit banda, yun nga lang, medyo pricey siya konti dito, ayan. But anyway, pag lumabas ka na dito sa may aquarium, pwede mo pa rin hindi balikan yung sasakyan since all day naman yung presyo na binayaran natin, yung $20. So, makakatipid tayo sa parking area. And then, ang gagawin natin is mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito sa area, dahil nga kung ilalabas natin yung sasakyan and then mag-park ka sa ibang lugar dito, lahat ng side dito may bayad talaga, kahit saan ka mag-park merong bayad. So makakatipid kapag iwanan mo muna yung sasakyan mo doon sa parking area. Anyway, yung parking area naman, yung $20 na yun, good for all day na yun siya. So makakatipid ka syempre. So ang ginawa namin, ayan, paglabas namin, umikot muna kami dito. Ayan na yung Coca-Cola Museum, paglabas mo ng aquarium. At saka dito naman na side, yan naman yung Olympic Park. So, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. So, saka na din kami magbayad ng parking area namin pag lalabas na kami. So, yun lang. Kwento ko lang. Bye-bye!